In this video, our driver here dodges a car that most people would have crashed into. Let's roll the clip. And the video ends there with the driver driving off into the road, so I'm just gonna end it there. And let's learn some lessons. Those are some great reflexes and response by the driver. Let's learn some lessons here. So the driver here is clearly focused and paying attention to the road, which is why they were able to see this car pulling out of this driveway of the Wendy's. And they had great reflexes. This is a common mistake that a lot of people make when driving. When they're taking a left turn, they're going to be going into this lane. So they only look at the cars coming down this lane instead of also looking at the cars coming down this lane. They get so focused on making sure that where they're going is clear that they forget to check the lanes that they're about to cross. So you see a lot of people making left turns only looking right and not looking left. This is a very common mistake. So whenever you see a car pulling out like this, expect them to make this mistake. That way you can respond like this man did and avoid the accident. Those are great reflexes and great response. Let's all be more vigilant, safer, more responsible drivers.